Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, your go-to channel for simple and effective solutions to common health issues. Today, we're tackling a problem that many of us have faced, Nazla Zukam, also known as the common cold. I know how irritating and uncomfortable it can be, but fear not, because I've got a natural remedy that can help you kick that cold to the curb. Suffering from a bad cold? Can't stop coughing? You don't need to rush to the pharmacy. In this video, I'll share my top 5 effective home remedies to help get rid of your cold and cough, the natural way. A cold and cough, also known as Nazla Zukam in Urdu, can cause a lot of discomfort. The good news is that you can find relief using simple ingredients from your kitchen. I'll be sharing home treatments that will help clear up mucus, soothe your throat, reduce inflammation, and quieten your cough. These tried and tested remedies use honey, ginger, black pepper, garlic, and other items you likely already have at home. Main remedies. Remedy 1, honey lemon drink. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into warm water. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure, unprocessed honey. The vitamin C in lemons and antimicrobial properties in honey will provide relief. Remedy 2, ginger tea. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Steep freshly grated ginger in hot water and drink up this healing tea. The gingerols will soothe your throat. Remedy 3, turmeric milk. A glass of hot turmeric milk, or haldi doodh, has antiviral and antibacterial benefits. Add a pinch of black pepper to help your body absorb the curcumin in the turmeric. This golden milk will boost your immunity. Remedy 4, garlic tea. Garlic is a superfood that can help fight infections. Crush some garlic cloves and steep them in hot water for 10 minutes. The allicin in garlic will help clear up cough and colds faster. Remedy 5, vegetable steam. Inhaling steam can help relieve congestion. Boil vegetables like carrots or broccoli and breathe in the veggie steam. This natural vapor rub will help clear your respiratory tract. Give these simple, powerful home remedies a try the next time you come down with a stubborn cold or disruptive cough. They use common ingredients with medicinal properties to nurse you back to health. Don't forget to hit subscribe and let me know in the comments which remedy worked best for you.